A model plane built around its rotor, its motor, its engine. Fancy little explained, but it's not every component is working. The final design running off a principle: impulsion and expulsion. One go inward, the other go outward. A little bit based on the Russian plane. So a larger scale model is this one. The smaller scale is this one. The elevator will not work unless because of the geometries. It would just lock in its place. I need to find a solution. There's some deflect on the material, a little delta ring. It might take a while before I could solve the mechanical problems. The wingspan is not enough. There is other parts of it, and I would seriously doubt that it will fly. And I think there is some problem with the calculations. Now there you go. I might change the color scheme. The wings. The wing has the same design of the large scale, but has not been tested yet. The wing is bended. Little bit. Bended little bit, just enough for the air to produce the air pressure, to produce the potential difference in the air pressure. Has not been test flighted yet, but in theory it will work. In theories. Geometrically sound. So this is how the whole wing would look like. To quickly flip to the other side. The largest scale running on quite interesting at the wing tips. So the secret is as its wings. It should not matter in terms of the air float. I have this idea from other users. I saw the video, and some model plane has their wing design in a similar way, in order to bend the wing a little to produce the potential difference in airflow. The little plane has basically the same design with a larger scale in terms of skeletons. The wing tips is also tipped a little. In theory, that would help in flight, but I don't know. It might go the opposite way to drag the plane down. The tail elevator is an X-plane, which means that it's not been dummy tested. So a plane built around its motor. plain wheel around its motor. This motor would fit in nicely around there. With no option and no choice, we need to use a single rotating motor. Use two and dual motor would be ideal, but there is just cannot find a hardware, and I do not have the hardware that produce a equal and opposite rotations, clockwise and counterclockwise at the same time at my hand. So we would have to put up with what we have. So the larger scale is very attractive, but also powered by a single rotor. So we will progress and see how it goes.